Weather 12 forecast.
A great day of weather ahead. Temperatures above normal once again for southern New England. We'll talk about that local forecast coming up in just a few minutes. First, though, I want to say hello to my friends at Seekonk North School. We had a great talk about weather the other day. Some great questions. Actually, one of the best questions I've ever heard. Someone asked me, were you scared the first time you went on television? The answer is no, I wasn't scared. I was terrified. So anyway, fun taking questions and talking weather and TV with the kids there at Seekonk North. All right, Easton's Beach. How about this? Beautiful blue sky. The breezes are getting going as of late, and that will be a trend this morning. Because we have some consistent breezes over the next couple days, there is a high risk of rip currents. This is actually starting tonight into Monday for the South Coast beaches. That includes Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, and Cape Cod. We have a moderate risk of rip currents today, and because the lifeguards have left for the year, just be careful of that situation. The tropics, well, they're staying busy, but they're staying busy way out here in the Atlantic. This is a Category 4 hurricane, Hurricane Lorenzo. Last night it was a strong Category 5 hurricane. Fortunately, this goes nowhere close to southern New England, but certainly interesting to know how strong that storm continues to be. Three key things. Well, it's nice today, cooler tomorrow, and then some midweek warmth right back into the mid to upper 80s with increasing humidity. There's actually a touch of humidity out there right now, but those breezes will continue to push that away. Looking great here in Newport. I was mentioning those winds. You can see them getting going by the flag there, becoming active. 69 is your temperature in Newport. We're already at 72 in Westerly, 65 in Smithfield. So temperatures not all that cool this morning. Now what will start to make it feel a little cooler will be these winds. Right now we're at 15 miles an hour in Smithfield, 14 in Newport. Wouldn't be surprised to get some gusts between about 25 and 30 this morning. And that's because we have high pressure building in from the north, and high pressure usually acts as our fair weather friend, and it will over the next couple days, but it also drives in those busy breezes from the north and northeast. That's the trend for today. Then as we head into tomorrow, that's the trend for tomorrow as well. Tomorrow is actually a little bit cooler than what we'll have for today. Getting to 72 by noontime, mid-70s this afternoon with our temperatures across most of the area reaching the 70s. You can see mid-70s in Westerly, not too far from where we are right now. 72 in Newport, low 70s in Smithfield. The coolest spot will be out here, Plymouth County, out towards Cape Cod. That tends to happen when we get those winds from the north and northeast. That is the coolest spot in southern New England when we have that wind direction. So today I mentioned how we have a high risk of rip currents tomorrow, but today we have a moderate risk of rip currents. So today could be an issue too. Low 70s though, so just beautiful down by the beach with that breeze from the north, and on the water, winds out of the northeast 10 to 15 knots, gusts of around 20. So a little breezy out on your boat or maybe your friend's boat today. Hopefully you know someone with a boat. I know a few, but I haven't gotten the invitation yet. Waves around 3 feet in Narragansett Bay. Low tide on the way at 2:30 this afternoon. All right, this evening temperatures dropping through the 50s, low 50s around midnight. Outside of Providence, temperatures going to the 40s. And in that 7-day forecast, you'll notice cooler Monday. Tuesday is kind of our in-between day, and then Wednesday, mid-80s, increasing humidity, chance of a few showers, and then unsettled, cooler with some showers around Thursday and Friday. So we flip right back to the fall pattern here. Saturday looks cool, partly cloudy, temperature around 44 in the morning. Could get some 30s there on Saturday morning outside of Providence. You can always get an updated forecast over on our website and also on the WPRI Pinpoint weather app. You can take that forecast with you on the go and also read updates on our weather blog. Now let's go back to Erica.
Thanks, Pete. We're covering America now. We're